Fetch AI continues to hold above our key area of support above the $1.48 and above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which are both acting as support for us to continue pushing higher. And at the time of this recording, we continue to get rejected at our key area of resistance that lies between the $1.586 and the 1.537. And on today's video, I will be discussing the key areas of supports that you need to continue holding above, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up, you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT. And all you need to have for you to register for an account is a phone number, and alternatively you can use your email address for registration. Jumping back to the charts, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening here on the Fetch AI chart from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, where you can see that we started a very impulsive movement to the upside, and we picked in this 5-wave structure that gave us a high above the $1.74, completing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in this Elliot wave count 1, I have been expecting that we are going to see a bit of a short-term pullback to the lower side in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the 1.345 and the 0.925, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the chart. And this is an area that I'm expecting that Fetch AI is going to fully maximize in the next coming hours. And you can see that at some point we had seen a bit of a breakdown move into the fib level 0.382, giving us a bit of a bounce back to the upside. And that gave me a scenario where I said that there are chances that we now have a low in place for this wave 2, and whatever is playing out could be the start of a bounce in a wave 3. And for us to get confirmation that that impulsive Elliot wave count 3 is just getting started, we first need to see a 5-wave structure to the upside, and also a break above the significant high we made above the $1.74. But as long as we continue holding below the $1.74 and we are yet to see a 5-wave structure to the upside, then that means that we don't have a low in place for this wave 2, and whatever is playing out at the moment is an ABC corrective structure, where we are yet to see one more new low in a wave C into this target area, fully maximize the target area before we can finally bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, breaking through key areas of resistances in a move that can easily get us back above the $2 in the next coming days. Jumping to the daily chart, I still maintain my bullish sentiments, where I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an impulsive movement to the upside that peaked above the $3.479, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted here on the charts, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have the lows in place for the second wave. And in the next coming weeks and maybe months, we are going to see that impulsive Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then finally see the formation of that Elliot wave count 5, possibly taking us back above the $10 in the next coming months. So that is all I'm expecting on the long term, and for that to also play out, we also need to continue holding above the fib level 0.88 in case of any sudden pullbacks, and the fib level 0.88 lies above the 0.579. And as long as we are holding above that key area of support, there's a very high chance that we are going to see those impulsive movements in a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, taking us to new all-time highs in this bull market. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.